Have you ever thought to yourself, do I really need life insurance? How much would I actually need? The answer really depends on you and your family. If you have access to unlimited money, you probably don't need life insurance. However, in the event that you don't have access to unlimited money, like most of us, it is important to work out what you actually need. The first question, do I need life insurance? If you have family, business, or people that you're responsible for and care about, then the answer is yes. Life insurance provides the future security for your family or business should something unexpected happen to you. The second question, how much do I need? This is where your insurance advisor can help. We guide you through every angle to make sure you know your options and can make an informed decision. Let's look at an example. Jane and Michael are married with 2 young children. Jane is a 41-year-old stay-at-home mum and Michael, 52, earns $75,000 per annum as a builder. They have a $530,000 mortgage. As your advisor, the questions we should start asking you would include: do you want to pay off your mortgage of $530,000? How is Jane going to survive without the $75,000 per year income of Michael? How would she be able to keep the same standard of living while the kids grow up? You may want to pay off the mortgage. Set up an investment that pays you income until the children turn 18, so Jane can focus on raising the children. This gives you power to understand your options and know you're protected. If you'd like a quick call to talk through your options or sit down with an advisor, book in for a free, no obligation meeting. Let us give you peace of mind.